Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to delete wallet on Trust Wallet. For that, make sure you have the application and you're logged into your account. Before entering, you need to enter your passcode. Now at this home page, at the top left, you can see settings icon. Tap on that and you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now there you can simply tap on wallets. Here you will be seeing all the wallets that is connected to your Trust Wallet. Currently, I only have this main wallet, but I will be guiding you through the process. Now just beside the wallet that you want to delete, there you will be seeing 3-dot icon. You need to tap on that and you'll be led to this kind of interface, and at the top you can see delete icon. You need to tap on that. Now this kind of box will pop up. All you need to do is tap on delete. Now you need to enter a passcode. And now you can see that a wallet has been deleted from your Trust Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.